Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, IoT activity and respiration monitoring without camera and wearables, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. This project helps you to monitor the health of a person without attaching any sensor to the human body. You can track the target person's movement or activities like walking, sleeping, falling, etc. without using any camera. This project helps to get the vitals like respiratory rate of a person 24/7 without disturbing the privacy of that person. The components used are ESP32 board to run the application, MR24 BSD1 24 GHz wave radar to monitor the health and activity of a person without installing any camera or any wearable device, and some jumper wires to connect the two. Let us see the demonstration of this project. This is the radar connected to the ESP32 board scanning our room. We have hosted a web server on our ESP32 board. Let's make a GET request. The person's activity and respiratory rate is monitored and displayed on the dashboard. Radar detects no movements, the same as you can see as a person's status. You can see the breathing rate in this tab. In sleep data, you can see the sleep status of a person. Somebody is moving in the room, detected by the radar, and is displayed on the personal activity tab. Interested in developing your own IoT activity and respiration monitoring system? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of this project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.